Just got this new Tovala oven. Yesterday we tried out making some broccoli. Today we're gonna start making some of the Tovala meals. We got this on QVC. It was actually a really great deal, but they sent 4 meals with it. So we got chicken parm and garlic pepper salmon today. We're gonna start with the chicken parm. Takes a little bit longer. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. All the meals come in these little cardboard boxes. They're pretty small. You just pop it open. And we got some cheese and sauce. I guess that makes sense for chicken parm. And then we pop this open. We have the spaghetti with some mozzarella cheese. And then there's this little insert. And underneath, the chicken. So real easy, 2 metal containers. Let's get into the instructions here. Remove the plastic, spread the marinara over the chicken, sprinkle the mozzarella and Parmesan over the marinara on the chicken breast. Put both trays in the oven, scan the card, and away we go. All right, let's do it. So the spaghetti, real easy. We take it off, we're done. And the chicken, just pop that open. It's fun. Put that over here. All right, we start with sauce. Open that up. Get that on there. Put that on there. Wow, we did this without even using a utensil. That's pretty easy. And now the magic part. So we will pop open the oven. Don't need a tray for this, so you can take that out. And we'll put in the chicken here. And the spaghetti here. Now these are big enough to do 2 meals at once, so as you see, if we turn them sideways, we can put a second meal right in front of it. But I'll just leave these right in the middle. Close it up, and now the fun part. Take the card, hit scan. It scans, 20 minutes, and start. There's 9 minutes left, and we'll get in there. And cheese is starting to melt on the chicken, and definitely the spaghetti's getting done. Looks like it'll be have those nice crispy ends on top, which I love. 3.5 minutes left here. And the spaghetti, as you can see, more of the same, those crispy edges on top. And the cheese is just about melted on the chicken, so we're almost done here. Can't wait. All right, it is done. Let's have a look. Smoke pouring out. All right, here is the spaghetti. As you can see on top, it's got those nice burnt tips. Looking kind of good. Get that out there. All right, here comes the chicken. Look how that cheese melted. Really good. And we will throw this right on top. Get some of those juices out. Yummy. And don't want to give up the extra cheese. This looks fantastic for literally pressing a button. Let's try it out. Yeah, okay. All right, this looks amazing. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Chicken looks perfectly cooked. That is really good. You know, usually with a thick chicken breast like this, you have to worry about it cooking all the way through. This is solid, the cheese is good, the sauce is good. And let's try the spaghetti here. Really well done. It's nice and soft, feels very thick. This meal's a win. Chicken parm, Tovala oven. Now let's get cooking on the salmon. All right, now it's time for the garlic pepper salmon. Let's pop the box open and see what's inside. So same thing, cardboard box. Here we have the salmon seasoning right here. This is the honey mustard. This will not get cooked. This goes on after. And tray number 1, we got our carrots. Tray number 2, that is a nice thick looking piece of salmon. Let's pop them open. Again, very simple. Remove the plastic, sprinkle the garlic pepper over the salmon, put both trays in the oven. That's it. So let's go. Here are the carrots. Done. And the salmon. Even the puppy wants some. I'm sure she'd love this. Let's sprinkle the seasoning on top. It's a good amount of seasoning, real nice. Try to get some on the sides there too. Well, definitely doggy approved. Let's get this in the oven. The fans are still blowing from the last meal. We'll scan the card here. And you can see it says 13 minutes, 15 seconds. We will start it up. And meal number 2 on its way. All right, so just over 6 minutes left, about halfway done here. And carrots look like they're cooking nicely. So is that salmon. You can see it's got that white color already. And we'll catch up with you when it's done. All right, and the meal is done. I just got a notification on my phone as well. It says your meal is done. Let's take a look. Wow. Here comes the steam. Carrots looking good, and that salmon is cooked perfectly. Let's prep it. All right, so this one has a cooking step after. Gonna pour this honey mustard in the tray. Get the sauce all over. Super easy there. And that's it. Let's go try it out. All right, so this is meal number 2. This is definitely falling right apart. Don't need a knife or anything. That's really good. Spice is good, it's soft, melts in your mouth. Let's try the carrots. Little bit hard on the outside in a good way, soft on the inside. The glaze is good. This is another win. Chicken parm, garlic pepper salmon. Overall, I'd say they're between like a 7 to 8 out of 10 each. You know, not exactly gourmet. We happen to like to cook a lot here. I would say for people that like to cook a lot, you can get a little better results on your own. But the fact that you just put these things in the oven and press a button, there is no substitute for how easy it is. Both meals were very good, so no complaints. And everything is under, certainly under 1,000 calories. I think both these meals were in the 600-700 range, especially the salmon. It's just a piece of fish and some carrots and mustard. So try them out. I'm gonna get online, get some more. Tovala passes the test, and we'll see you next time.